Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I have another quick little clean with me today. Hopefully that motivates you to get up and get going because Lord knows I need to now as well. At the time of filming this, I'm about 21, 22 weeks pregnant and I have already started nesting even though I'm not even done work yet. So we're going to be doing some cleaning, some baby organizing, and let's get to it. This table is the bane of my existence and I feel like I'm constantly cleaning it. I realize that kind of comes with the territory of having a dining table that you actually use, but between things piling up and the toddler just getting it disgusting literally 5 times a day, I don't know, it's a lot to keep up with, man, it really is. Ah, yes, the couches. The couches when you have children. I don't know if you guys know this. I'm assuming most of you have children, but they're just gross all the fucking time. So I've actually been meaning for a really long time to like thoroughly go through all of these toys and, toss stuff that's broken and that store stuff that's not being used, and I never end up having enough time to do it because there's just so much crap in here. So this is typically what I do on a daily basis, is I just kind of put everything where it sort of half-ass goes and hope it all turns out okay. In the end, I really need to do another like huge toy organization, so let me know down in the comments if that's a thing you're actually interested in seeing, and I will possibly just put it in a video. And so begins the baby clothes organization. This is going to be the last section of this video, so go ahead and enjoy this and then give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Throwing that in there now. All I'm doing is throwing stuff that's going to be too big for the baby in this box, the storage box, to go through later, and then all the stuff that I'm going to be using right away after the baby comes home is going to be organized into a like bin drawer thing in my room, and that's where I'm gonna end it for today. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.